Alright, buckle up guys, because Canon's about to drop something that'll make your jaw hit the floor. We're talking about the EOS R3 Mark II, and trust me, this isn't your typical minor upgrade situation. This is a full-blown revolution. If you're a serious photographer or videographer, you need to pay attention. Let's cut to the chase. The sensor. This thing's going to change everything. A brand new 30 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. That's a 6 megapixel bump from the original R3, but the real magic is in that stacked design. Imagine processing speeds that make the R3 feel like it's stuck in slow-mo. We're talking capturing every millisecond of action, zero blackout, and image quality that'll make your clients think you switched to medium format. But here's the kicker. This sensor is a low-light beast. Early testers are saying it's outperforming cameras that cost thousands more. Rumored ISO range hitting 409,600? Yeah, you'll be shooting in near darkness. Think about weddings, those dimly lit receptions. No more flash, just natural emotional moments. Now, let's talk about autofocus. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF3 with enhanced AI tracking. This is the feature that'll make Sony users green with envy. The R3's autofocus is already top-notch, but this takes it to a whole new level. We're talking about predicting movement patterns, anticipating when an eagle will take flight before it even spreads its wings. Burst shooting? Ridiculous. 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter. But here's the thing. Unlike other cameras that sacrifice image quality at those speeds, Canon's promising full resolution, full autofocus, and full bit depth RAW files. That means your rapid-fire sequences will look just as good as your carefully composed shots. Video creators, you're not forgotten. 6K at 120 frames per second RAW, 4K at 240 frames per second for insane slow-mo. Imagine filming hummingbird wings in ultra-slow motion with crystal clarity. And with 9-stop in-body image stabilization, your handheld footage will look like it was shot on a gimbal. The viewfinder? A 9.44 million dot OLED EVF. So clear, you'll forget you're not looking through an optical viewfinder. So, when can you get your hands on this beast? We're looking at late 2025 or early 2026. Yeah, it's a wait, but it'll be worth it. And it won't be cheap. Expect $6,499 down to $6,999. Is it worth it? For professionals and serious enthusiasts, absolutely. This is a leap forward. Sports photographers, wedding photographers, hybrid creators, this camera delivers. But wait, there's more. We almost forgot the revolutionary feature. Canon's calling it predictive capture. This AI-powered system starts recording images microseconds before you fully press the shutter. Never miss the decisive moment again. Think photographing a soccer player striking the ball, getting the perfect frame every single time. But here's the twist. Canon might be implementing a subscription model for certain advanced AI features. Yeah, you heard that right. Some of the most innovative capabilities might be locked behind a paywall. This is controversial, and it could change the entire industry. So what do you think? Is predictive capture a game changer, or is a subscription model a deal breaker? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and leaks.